Hello guys, this is WG Gaming. Today we are playing Subway Surfers and we're trying to get 15,000. Whoa, oh yeah.
So guys, if you don't know what a multiplier is, that thing next to a score. We have a 11 times multiplier, but a multiplier is something that times your score by anything that's there. So yeah, we're already 7,000, 9,000, 10,000. Well, 1/3.
You mean 2/3?
Yeah, so guys, we just hit 15,000. So yeah, thank you guys for remembering to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you want to see more videos like this and watch them. Remember to have a happy day and peace.